Hey everyone, welcome to this quick tutorial on See What's Coming, a game about storytelling, word guessing, and a little bit of mind reading. If you like telling stories and predicting what others might say, this one's for you. In this video, we'll play the version called London. It focuses on writing down stories and guessing nouns. The goal of the game is simple. Try to guess which words a player will use in a story. Before the story is read out loud, the other players write down 5 nouns they expect to hear. For each correct guess, you score points. To play See What's Coming, you need a pen and a sheet of paper for each player, and for the group, 1 game sheet and 1 topic list and a timer. The game is played in groups of 4. Choose the starting player, then this player picks a topic from the list of topics, either by choosing one, picking a random number, or rolling a die. Now the starting player has 5 minutes to write a short text on their chosen topic. At the same time, the other players write down 5 nouns they think will appear in the story. Make use of your timer. Then the starting player reads their story out loud. Now it's time for the other players to compare notes. For each word a player guessed correctly, you score 10 points if you're the only one who wrote it, or 5 points if someone else wrote the same word. Write down your points. Then it's the next player's turn to choose a topic and write down their story. The game ends once each player has told one story. Now add up your points. The player with the most points wins the game. And that's it. Now you know how to play See What's Coming, a creative game of guessing and storytelling. Thanks for watching and happy gaming!